Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator. Today I'm going to show you the 4 steps to better trading psychology. It's based on my experience. If you go to this training here, hopefully that it can help you and become a better trader. So as you know that trading psychology is widely regarded as one of the most crucial skills for traders to be mastered. However, there may be times when your own psychology become a roadblock to achieve success in trading. To be successful, traders need to remain calm and disciplined while making decisions, which can be challenging when the market conditions are uncertain or more volatile, or when you deviate from your trading rule or system. Therefore, it is essential to develop a strategy to manage your emotion and maintain a clear, focused mindset even in the face of adversity. This may involve techniques such as the mindfulness and meditation, keeping a trading journal to track your progress and identify areas for the improvement, or seeking support from a trading coach or mentor. With meditation and persistence, you can learn to overcome psychology obstacles and become more successful trader. If you find that you are having a hard time to keeping calm and disciplined while trading, there are 4 steps that you can try so that they can help you out to become a better trader. Step number 1, remove stressors. Identifying and addressing stressors can help you become more self-aware and in control of your emotion, which can ultimately improve your trading performance. Common sources of stressor for traders include fear of missing out, fear of loss, and fear of failure. Learning to manage these emotions can be a key part of successful trading. Practicing mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing can help you reduce stress and increase focus, which can be beneficial for trading. Establishing a consistent self-care routine that includes exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep can help you manage stress and improve your overall well-being. Seeking support from a daily market recap from our mentor or trading community can provide you with a resource and strategies that can manage stress and anxiety in your trading. It's important to remember that stress is a normal part of trading. It is not always possible to eliminate stressor entirely. However, by developing healthy coping mechanisms and strategies, you can learn to manage stress and navigate challenging situations with a greater ease. Step number 2, the practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions and learn to observe them without judgment or reactivity. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, you can develop greater mental clarity, which can be beneficial for trading. There are many different types of meditation, including guided meditation, mantra meditation, and mindfulness meditation. Experimenting with different techniques can help you find what works best for you. The regularly practice is the key when it becomes a mindfulness and meditation. Even a few minutes a day can have a positive impact on your mental and emotional well-being. Mindfulness and meditation can also be helpful tools for managing stress and anxiety outside of trading, which can have a positive ripple effect on all areas of your life. There are many resources available for those who want to learn more about stress and meditation, including books, online courses, and meditation app on the web that you can look for. And number 3, visualize success. The visualization can also be a helpful tool for managing negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. By visualizing yourself succeeding despite any doubt or fears that you may have, you can train your mind to focus on the positive and overcome any obstacles that may arise. To get the most out of your visualization practice, try to make your visualization as vivid and detailed as possible. You always tend to create a clear mental picture for yourself achieving your goals and try to really feel the emotion associated with the success. Visualization can be especially helpful for traders who are working towards long-term goals, and it can be easy to lose motivation or focus over time. By regularly visualizing your success, you can stay connected to your goals and maintain your momentum. It's important to remember that visualization is just one tool in your trading toolkit and should be used in combination with other strategies such as risk management and fundamental analysis. Don't rely solely on visualization to achieve your goals. If you're new to visualization, you can be helpful to start with a small achievable goals and work your way up. It can help you build your confidence and keep you motivated as you progress toward a larger goal. Remember that visualization is the personal practice and it works for one person. It may not work for another. Experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with your personality. And above all, be patient and persistent. Success takes time and effort. Step number 4, keeping a trading journal can be an invaluable tool for both novice and experienced traders. By documenting your trades and reflecting on your performance, you can gain valuable insight into your trading habits and make more informed decisions in the future. In your trading journal, make sure to include details such as date and the time of the trade, the instrument that you trade, the entry and the exit point, the size of the position, and any other relevant information. It can also be helpful to include notes on your reasoning for entering the trade, your expectation for the trade, and any other thoughts or observations you have at that time. By regularly reviewing your trading journal, you can start to identify patterns in your behavior and making adjustments as needed. For example, if you notice that you tend to make impulsive trades, you can develop a strategy to manage your emotion more effective. In addition to helping you to identify area of improvement, keeping a trading journal can also be a great way to celebrate your success and stay motivated. By documenting your win and your loss, you can build your confidence and maintain a positive mindset. Finally, be sure to set aside regular time to review your trading journal and reflect your performance. It can be a valuable opportunity to learn from your mistakes and celebrate your successes, and can help you stay focused and motivated over a long term. In conclusion, in our quote, it's designed to provide you with the education you need to become a successful day trader or stock investor based on your specific trading objective. You will have access to our 24-hour community support for learning and trading, as well as a daily live trading and coaching, reviewing and mentoring section. Our goal is to train, mentor, and empower our students to operate independently with confidence in navigating the market. If you are ready to take control of your financial future, take a next step. Attend our free webinar by clicking on the link description below. That's all we have for you. So thank you for watching. If you want to know more, please sign up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will have more video for you. Thank you for watching and take care everyone.